Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the video about continuation of my questions, question number 5, CSSE 2023. And in this video, I'm going to solve the final part, which is the D part. And the D part says if it says if the first number and second number in the sequence, are equal each other, find the first number. Find the first number. Find the first number. So this is the last part. Okay, question number 5, CSA 2023. We already explained about the first 4 part in last 3 videos. So this is the final part. Okay, so if the first number and the second number in the sequence are equal each other, find the first number. So this question based on basically algebraic expression. Okay, so how we work out. So first number, any number is unknown, we can represent by x, y, or z. So I can assume that the first number is x. Okay, same. What we're going to do, the rule says add 4 and divide by 2. So this is our first number. Okay, say first number and second number, okay, sequence are equal each other, so I can put the sign of equal. Okay, and the second number is, how we can find the second number, same as this is the first number, so I can copy as it is. So this is our first number. Okay, and the first number we're going to what? Okay, we need to add, same as the rule says, plus 4 and divide by 2. Yeah, so now we're going to solve this part. So the first one, as per numerator here, we're going to solve this one. How we solve this one? Open the bracket. So x plus 4 divided by 2 and plus 4. Okay, no number means 1. Make the same denominator, times by 2. So times by 2. So it means x plus 4 divided by 2 plus 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. So now x plus 4 plus 8 divided by 2. So we can simplify x plus 4 plus 8 is what? 12. So 12 divided by x plus 12 plus divided by 2. Okay, so we solve this numerator and we found x plus 12 divided by 2. So now I can write down what? X plus 12 divided by 2, and you can see this is denominator. Okay, divide by 2. So what I'm going to do it, okay, so x plus 12 divide by 2, and this divide change to the times and we can flip the fraction. So now look at this one, x plus 12 and 2 times 2 is what? 4. So we solve this part, the second number, and we found this one. which is equal to x plus 4 divided by 2. And we go for cross multiplication. Yeah, okay. So this 4 we times with this, and this 2, okay, times by this. So I'm solving here, okay. So x plus 4 times by 4 equal to 2 times x plus 12. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 4 is 16. 2x. 12 times 2 is 24. Okay, same as equation. Can you see both side x? You go back and check my video, okay? So if you have a 4x and 2x, lower move for the higher side, okay? So 4x, okay, minus 2x, same as 24, take away 16, and 4 take away 2 is 2x, and 24 take away 16 is what? 8, and divide by 2. So 2 cancel with 2, and 2 times 4 is 8. So the x value is what? 8. Sorry, x value is 4. So the first number will be 4, and the second number is also 4. Okay, how? You can just put the value of x, you can find the second number. Okay, where is the second number? Okay, the second number we found here. If I put here, look at this one, instead of x, if I put here, what? If I'm going to put here, look at this one, I'm going to put here, instead of x, I put 4 here. 4 plus 4 is what? 8. And 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, I can show you here. 4 plus 4 divided by 2 and plus 4. So it means 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. And 4 divided by 2 is, so it means the first number and the second number is also 4. So first number must be equal to second number. So this is the part D. Okay, so if you have any question about this video, okay, so please leave your message in the comment section. So hope you like this video. Please like and share with your family, friend. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, if you need any support for 11 plus, okay, so please contact me, and the WhatsApp number is given. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.